When you first start programming, which program to coding can be a daunting decision. Sublime Text, Atom? Well, today I'll be telling you why you should choose Visual Studio Code as your IDE. Point 1. Visual Studio Code is a great platform for loads of languages including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if your favorite language is included, you can always just go over to the very easy to use Extensions tab. You can find a ton of extensions for languages as well as extensions to make your experience that bit smoother. Some of the language extensions include C#, MySQL, Python, Ruby, C++, and many more. So yeah, it's easy to use. Point 2. It's a really lightweight program. The program on its own is very small, as you can see from the documentation. Even when you're running it, look at the difference in resources it needs in comparison to, for example, Atom. It can also run on a variety of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, point 3. So personally, when I'm coding, I want the program I'm coding in to look nice, and Visual Studio Code accomplishes that very well. It has 14 default color themes, and you can install more in the extension tabs. It also has 2 default file icon themes, and once again, in the extensions tab, you can get more that people have made. So this is the last point, and it's just the bits that I want to throw in, but didn't fit into the other categories. So first of all, you can commit Git files locally from the interface, so it works well in tandem with an app such as Gitkraken. It's also very straightforward to use if you're a beginner, as the layout of it makes it very accessible without having to work out the locations of different things. And are you coming for another IDE? Don't worry, Visual Studio Code has you covered. You can install the keyboard shortcuts from Atom, Sublime, Vim, and many others. And if you want that app's theme too, then some kind people have made extensions so that you can use themes of other IDEs on Visual Studio Code. For example, Atom's One Dark theme. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Start coding. If this video has convinced you to code in Visual Studio Code, then the download link will be in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, why not consider subscribing or leaving a like and comment? Thanks for watching.